our Gara that we planted last year. Now, all of the plants were about the same size, and for some reason, this one is growing much bigger. This one already has blooms on it, and this one is very small, but we think it'll come out of it and that it'll start growing bigger. And these are the little rescue plants that we planted last year. And we have some Gara that we bought this year, and we planted 5 of them. We got them here, here, and 3 of them down at the end. And some of the morning glory are coming up down at the end. And then our pomegranate tree is putting out little tiny pomegranates this year. We got a few of them on here. There's 2 more back here, 1 here. So we got a few. There's 1. Here's 1. We got a few little pomegranates coming up on our pomegranate. We've got 4 o'clocks that are coming up in different places. Right here, right here. We got some down there. And then we have a whole bunch over here. We got some good plants coming up here. And this year we have hollyhocks that came back from seed all over in here. We had a hibiscus right in here that died. Or no, that was the Belsapar. This was the hibiscus that died. And then we've got a crepe myrtle that came back that's growing right there. And this, when I bought it, I don't remember what it was called, but it was supposed to have flowers, but it's never had flowers. But it's gotten big this year. Last year it was still real small, but it's gotten big this year. It just took off growing. Then we've got a lot of mint. I've already harvested twice out of the mint. And we've got the butterfly bush back there with the purple flowers, and it's doing good. And this Gara, the cats got into it, and they were laying in the middle of it, and it was laying down flat. So we took and gathered it up and put some of this stretchy plant tie around it to hold it together so that it would maybe strengthen the plant. And this is the newest gnome to the garden. And our lily is coming up back there. And then this was actually blooming white flowers this year, but it just hadn't gotten very big. It's just not doing much. I'm thinking down on this end of the garden that I may get some like moss roses or some kind of ground cover and put in here on this end that'll help fill it in. We had planted black-eyed Susans and none of them came back. They all died off. So we probably won't try them again. But that's what our flowers are doing.